Hello, my dear listener. Welcome to StoryTone English. Today's story is not about kings or empires. It's about someone very important, you. Our topic is Invest in Yourself. It's a story, a life lesson, and a guide, all in one. So relax, listen carefully, and improve your English as you learn something valuable about life. Chapter 1. The Meaning of Investment. When people hear the word investment, they often think about money, stocks, gold, or real estate. But the most powerful investment is not financial. It's the investment you make in yourself. You are your greatest asset. Your mind, your skills, your habits, and your health. These are what truly decide your future. Everything begins inside you. So today, I'll tell you the story of a young woman named Emma who discovered this truth in a very special way. Chapter 2. Emma's Beginning. Emma was a 23-year-old girl who had just finished college. She was smart, kind, and full of dreams, but she felt lost. Every morning she would wake up, scroll through social media, compare her life with others, and feel that everyone was ahead of her. Her friends were getting good jobs, traveling, and earning money, but she felt stuck. One day, she asked herself, "Why am I not growing? Why does life feel so slow?" Her mother smiled and said, "Because, my dear, you are watering everyone's garden, but not your own." Those words hit Emma deeply. She realized she was spending her time watching others succeed instead of building her own path. That night, she made a decision to invest in herself. Chapter 3. The Journey Begins. Emma started small. Every morning, she woke up 30 minutes earlier to read a few pages of an English book. She wanted to improve her communication skills because she knew that English could open global opportunities. At first, it was difficult. She made mistakes, pronounced words incorrectly, and sometimes felt shy. But she kept going. Then she began to watch educational videos about mindset, productivity, and confidence. She took notes. She practiced speaking in front of a mirror. She began to believe that she could improve. And she did. Soon, she joined a local workshop on public speaking. On the first day, her voice trembled. Her hands were shaking. But when she finished, the teacher smiled and said, "Emma, the first step is always the hardest. You just took it." Chapter 4. The Power of Habits. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Emma built strong habits, reading daily, speaking confidently, learning something new each week. She stopped wasting time on meaningless scrolling and started journaling her progress. One of her favorite quotes was, "Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow." Every day, she made a small investment, reading one page, practicing one sentence, writing one paragraph, and it added up. Just like saving a little money every day makes you rich, learning a little every day makes you wise. Her English improved naturally. Her thinking became clearer. Her confidence started to grow. Chapter 5. The Change. One afternoon, her company announced a competition for a new team leader. The position required strong communication skills and confidence. Emma felt nervous, but her heart whispered, "You've been preparing for this moment." She applied. During the interview, she spoke fluently and shared creative ideas. The manager was impressed. A few days later, she received an email. Congratulations, Emma. You've been selected as our new team leader. Her tears filled her eyes, not because of the title, but because she realized how far she had come. She didn't wait for luck. She created her own opportunity by investing in herself. Chapter 6. The Lesson. Emma's story teaches us something powerful. If you want your life to change, you must first change yourself. Invest in knowledge, because what you learn can never be taken away. Invest in health, because a strong body supports a strong mind. Invest in kindness, because it builds meaningful relationships. Invest in patience, because growth takes time. And most importantly, invest in language, because English connects you with the world. When you improve your English, you open doors to learning, traveling, working, and connecting with millions of people globally. Chapter 7. Your turn. Now, dear listener, ask yourself, what am I doing today to become a better version of myself? Maybe you're listening to this story to improve your English. That's already an investment. Every minute you spend learning adds value to your future. So keep going. Read more, listen more, speak more. Make English a daily part of your life. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Chapter 8. Final words. Emma's story shows that success doesn't come overnight. It comes quietly, slowly, through small steps taken every single day. Remember, you are not in competition with others. You are in competition with who you were yesterday. So invest in yourself. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you for listening to StoryTone English. I hope this story inspires you to keep learning and improving your English fluency. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more graded English listening stories. Together, we'll grow, one story at a time. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.